Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by validating prerequisites so creation proceeds smoothly. Sign in with Az login, then add the Azure ML extension. This gives you workspace commands. Once done, pick an existing resource group or create one, select a nearby region to reduce latency, and decide Compute Tier Now because it influences defaults. Then run as ML Workspace Create with a clear name. This step both allocates resources and registers the workspace in your subscription. Make sure permissions and billing are ready before you proceed. Next, you secure and connect the workspace. Enable a managed identity so services authenticate without secrets and attach it to needed resources. Then configure network settings, either public access or VNet integration, because training and endpoints often require controlled traffic. If you need private endpoints, create them now and approve DNS configuration. After that, assign RBAC roles. Grant ACR push to build images and blob data contributor to access storage. These steps lock down. Finally, verify and test so you know everything works. Run as ML Workspace Show to confirm provisioning, then register a small dataset and submit a short job to exercise compute and storage. Make sure logging is enabled so you can inspect run details. If something goes wrong, check common culprits. Subscription quotas, NSG rules blocking service endpoints, DNS for private endpoints, and managed identity role assignments. If you adjust permissions, rerun the quick test. This confirms resolution and complete setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.